And we're going to Korea. 안녕하세요, 오빠. Day 1 in Korea, and we're here in the Momari Park.
Balloon.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys.
Balik na di.
Meme kasi yun.
Yeah. I'm also saying that phrase.
Ay. This is the popping strawberry.
Also has the green lips.
Pakababoy naman yung bibig yung binidora. Dati labas. Going to Nami Island. Hi, Adeline!
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Picture daw si Tita Angeline. It's dinner time. Day 1 dinner here in I don't know where. I just know. I woke up. I just woke up and then they said go. Kasi dinner na. Woo.
Hello, good evening.
Yes?
안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for checking in at JK Blossom. How's your stay?
Oh, we're good.
Okay, Chrissy, thank you.
Hello?
Si Ivan to.
Gago mo kayo dun sa palengke. Bibig ka dyan?
Oo.
안녕하세요. Good evening. 감사합니다 for checking in at JK Blossom. How are you? How's your stay?
Hello?
안녕하세요. Good evening.
Good evening.
Natawa ko, Tilen.
Ay, Van!
Nampaprank lang ako.
Ay, Van, kala mo yung luggage ko. Hindi yun.
Oh, paano, te?
Hello?
안녕하세요.
Hello?
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo po.
Good evening. Thank you for booking with JK Blossoms. How's your stay tonight?
What?
Thank you for booking JK Blossoms. How's your stay for tonight?
JK Blossom?
Yeah, your hotel tonight.
Wait.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes?
안녕하세요. Good evening.
Annyeonghaseyo, good evening. What can I do for you?
Thank you for choosing JK Blossoms. How's your stay tonight?
Oh, thanks for asking. Our stay for tonight is good for today, and the experience is good, and overall the service and the room quality is very good.
Okay.
Kala niya, sila Tita Ivan.
Oh, sige na. Very good ka doon. Ang galing mo sumagot.
Ang galing din ni Dal eh.
Good night. Bye.
Saan mo kayo?
Okay, shrimp. Ay, nag-vlog ako. This is the bamboo flavor, so let me try. OMG! So yummy! What is this?
No comment flavor to ha. Wala kayong masasabi dito. And then sa kanya, that's almond flavor. So sa mga bagets, doon kayo sa almond flavor. Okay? Ganito lang siya. Mekos-mekos lang. Mix lang natin.
Hindi masyado ubusin yung tao natin sa bata. Kaya nga, oh. Ano tawag dito? Almond flavor. Okay, this is the almond flavor. So, meron siyang, ang ingay naman.
Si Ate Apple.
Meron, oh my God!
Oh my God! Spicy chicken.
So, meron siyang mga ano, guys, so, this parang may cookie siya or cracker sa loob. So,
Girl lang ang follower.
Kasarap ba ito? Sarap. Ito po, ano?
ayun na lang bibiling ko. Ano
po, masarap. Lasang pandiko ko.
Thank you po.
Ay, sabi.
Ayaw yung Sharon.
Oh, yes. Kasama lang natin sa ilalim. Then, pagkatapos, lagyan natin na
Okay, let's start.
rice.
Go, guys.
Alright, rice na siya.
Babalik na rin.
Okay, spread na yung, okay na to. Ito na lang yung sa kanya na to.
Ivan!
Yes.
Okay.
Galing ko.
Uy, mataba yung kimbap niya.
Daming spam.
Gusto niyo mataba yung kimbap. Okay, sikit-likit ko ba ako? Yes. Para maging mas malinamnam yung kimbap natin. Kuha na ng kimbap nyo. Ano ba? Okay, look at this camera. 1, 2, 3, bye! Okay.
Cruise today and weather is 11 degrees but still eating ice cream.
So cold, like, oh my God.
So cold but my clothes are like this. Trying out their highball here because highball in Japan was so good, right? So we're trying out the highball here. It's so good as well. Picture pa. Cruise today!
Hi guys.
Oh, sis nyo naman.
Bawi ako ng picture sa'yo, Bang.
Uy, ayun. Ang ganda ng ibon.
Pwede magpakain eh.
Kala ko kikiskip mo.
Ay, man, takot eh. Ay, galing. Okay, halika, go. Sabi na eh. Nalaglag na rin niya.
Labas mo!
Ayun na, ayun na.
If you want to use the outdoor
Ate Pupay!
Ayun na, yun na, Pupay. Dahil bitawa mo naman.
Ayan, ayan. Natuwa ka niya, ayan, sa ulo.
CJ, excuse.
please pay close attention.
Oh, haba.
Shit kasi.
Okay na. Be patient na.
Kuya, ano? Country ang kamay mo. Hello kayo. Balimos. Balimos.
Ayan, 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 ayan. May kumuha.
Yan o.
Puto siya, may lalapit din dyan.
Baby, ako malapit. Ang late kasi na kamay mo. Sophia.
Sophia!
Hawakan mo siya kaya si Sophia.
Currently in Everland, the largest theme park. Yeah, really? Largest theme park here in Korea.
Jollibee.
Ha?
Jollibee.
Okay. Ano yun?
Jollibee. Jollibee Carnival.
Hi guys. Go guys.
납수의 한 자리에 2번씩입니다. 원씨 초비블. 한 자리에 2번씩 조금씩 바로바로 앉아주세요.
Nasaan? Oy! Kala ko naman ito. Okay, tonight we have our juice. Oh, thank you. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Hi. Hey, may pag-ikot. Pak. Let's go, Prince.
Opo, dito. Nina, tingin ka. Show your hair. Super lakas. Ganda ng boom namin.
Sa baba, ate.
Sa baba, ate. Meron sa dulo. Wala tayo masyadong mag-videos. Now going to the painted show, which he likes.
I'm the artist there. Joke. Painter show po, painter show. Anong gagawin natin sa painter show?
Walang may alam.
Let's see.
Ikaw,
Hi guys.
hello.
Ports 2. Ports 2.
Welcome to Korea.
Welcome to Korea. Welcome to Korea.
First night in Korea.
Oreo churros.
It's so small. It's a bit expensive, no?
Kagat nga. Masarap. Okay.
A salubungan for my office mates. Hope you guys are happy. This is the umbrella design. Patay ka na pag ito yung sa'yo. You're gonna die na. You want ba? This is 1,001 lang.
Yeah.
You want?
Sige, dalawa. Challenge time.
Okay, fine. Let's not get the umbrella. Star, para medyo mahirap. Circle, star, triangle.
Huwag yung triangle din.
So, circle. Namang tambay lang sa Korea yung mga gastador tonight. Looking for the meet-up point namin ng mga gastador. Hindi ng buong group.
Hindi siya makita. Nandun naman siya ngayon. Check ko muna.
Social climber, namimili ng damit, pero yung belt, ano yung belt mo?
Wala, cord ng phone. Wala eh.
Akala ko rin eh. Akala ko won. Kukunin rin ko. Kasi 8,000 pesos lang siya. Okay, this is what you call tofu stew. Ano?
Tofu stew.
So, pagkakulo, ilalagay natin. Tapos, kain na tayo. Gutom na eh.
The way to Namsan Palace. We had shuttle going here, and then dito lang kami bababa.
Hi guys! So we're now here in Namsan Tower. So ito yung kailangan namin akyatin. Shit! Sobrang taas! Vlog takeover sa YouTube channel ni Ate Nikki. So, ayun. Shit! Naku! Tiniki vlog takeover to sa YouTube channel. Ayan sila Ate Len. Ate Ricky. Ay, Kuya Ricky. Ate Ricky. Kuya Ricky.
May reklamo ko ah.
Yes. Ito sila Tita Violi, guys. Tita Violi, say hi to the vlog. Windy. Hi. Shit, guys, hinihingal ako. So, ganyan po kataas.
Sobrang taas niya, anong pa oh.
Say hi to my vlog. Ayan si Ate Nikki and Kuya Ivan. Picture sila. Ayan si Mami. May mga friends na siya.
Mas madaling lakad na patalikod.
Walk with me. As a solo travel girl. Charot.
Yung heart.
Team massage. I'm gonna get some massage before our last day. Ready pa kami bukas for Myeongdong. Charot! Sobra na yung pagkain natin, guys.
Ay, ang ganda.
Nice.
Ay, mahal. Travelers JC.
Oh my gosh. Is this the right choice for us?
I think so.
Because we're a traveler. Traveler's choice.
Grabe ang trip. Ano oras na?
Ano oras na pala, by the way? Oh, 11:47. Okay guys, naputo lang saya dahil number 1 nga siya for travelers. Ayun, fully booked nga siya. Bakit naman fully booked? Lunes na Lunes, pagod agad yung mga tao dito. Gusto namin massage. Ang gusto namin massage, ba't naman kami nasa inuman?
Guys, dapat magpapamassage lang kami. Tapos dito kami dirinap nung driver.
Dito kami dinala, parang sabi nila hindi pa talaga oras.
Talaga guys. Tapos lalabas kami mama if ever na tuloy mag-massage.
With oil.
Saan tayo?
Medyo sketchy pala yung pupuntahan namin. Oh my gosh! Guys, if last day na namin to.
I-vlog mo yun eh.
I-vlog namin para sa inyo. Sana ma-recover to ng NBI.
Mura nga, 800.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, ang sarap nung massage namin. Actually, hindi kami natuloy dun kanina sa
Una.
first. Tapos sa second, di ba tayo?
Yeah.
So, pang third.
This is the third.
Buti in-accept kami. Ate.
This is the third try and sumakses naman kami.
Yeah.
Okay, that was a good massage. Para daw siyang pinanganak ulit. Girl, umilig ako doon. Di man ako umilig.
Sana na-vlog.
Binidyo ka niya nga eh. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hindi, ayaw mo bumili. No! Di ba may banig-banig?
Huwag mo kong patis pa rin lang. Ito.
We're currently in Uber. We got some goods from Mark Sherwood, now going to Mardi. But this dude right here, he can't see his phone. So, we're checking if it's in the bus na sinasakyan namin or it's in the department store too. Hopefully it's in the bus. Airsoft ba to?
Princess, fire. Fire away, princess. Grabe oh.
Walang tinatamaan. Wow, galing!
Ang daming tira.
Ang daming lumabas.
Ano natin ito dito?
Ay, nakalayo ko. Oh my God, parang patay ako. Okay, last full day in Korea! Try it. Okay? Of course, we can't go home without trying their fried chicken. How is it?
Sobrang cute.
Yummy! Let's go. This is oolong tea, not beer.
It's a beer.
Yeah, I said this is oolong tea, not beer.
Huh?
Currently at the Korea airport already. So trip is concluded, or the trip has concluded. We're just going home. Hopefully, walang something na masama mangyari. Bye, bye, baby.